Hey everyone, I am thrilled to share with you the new Norwex Holiday Collection. We have just launched so many incredible products that will help you clean, it will help you care for yourself and celebrate the holiday season. Whether you are looking for gifts or you just want to treat yourself, there is something for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, we have our commemorative 30th anniversary microfiber cloths. These are limited edition cloths designed to remove up to 99% of bacteria from the surface with proper use and care. You all know and love it already, but check out these colors. We have the EnviroCloth and limited edition window cloth. Look at this holiday pattern. Look how adorable this is. As you probably already know, these cloths, like I said, they remove up to 99% of bacteria. They provide a streak-free shine when you're doing your windows, your mirrors, your stainless steel, all of your surfaces. And check out these colors. We have the malachite, we have this festive nutcracker for the window cloth. We have this beautiful blue. I love these darker colors because it's great when you are cleaning up. You can even do those messy jobs. You don't have to worry about staining, and you can get these guys in a set. So you could purchase this basic package together, you could put this basic package together, or you can get a trio of EnviroCloth, so you have something in every room. And the cherry is only available in this bundle when you get 3. All right, beautiful colors for the holidays on that. Next, we have my personal favorite texture for the kitchen towel and cloth set. It is the diamond weave. See how beautiful this midnight blue is. And if you spend a lot of time in the kitchen like me, you are gonna love these. If you do not have these yet, you need the kitchen towels. They dry your hands so well. They do not cross-contaminate from one hand to the next. They get maybe your kids, or when you're cleaning and you go to wipe off your hands, it gets the stuff that you've missed when you've washed. This microfiber can also, with just water, remove up to 99% of bacteria, and the kitchen cloth size dries really quick. It's great for your kitchen prep because you do not want chemicals in your kitchen, y'all. You want to be able to clean with cloth and water. It has the backlock technology, aka that's the silver, that self-purifies the cloth so they do not get stinky, moldy, mildewy. All right, same as our basic package, you can save some money in these by buying them in bundles. So you can get them individually, those are just the price they are. You can buy the kitchen cloth and kitchen towel and cloth set, and you can get the kitchen trio where you get 3 of the kitchen cloths. All right, so now I'm super excited to share with you one. I think this is absolutely going to be a favorite, and it is while supplies last. It is our new odor eliminator in our winter bergamot. There are no synthetic fragrances in this. I am obsessed with it. It smells heavenly. Now, what do you use this for? It is to get rid of all the stinky smells at the source. It has powerful enzymes in it that break down the source of smells. You can put a capful in your laundry, or you can mix it in the Forever spray bottle. You can buy this as a bundle. And when you mix this, you get 6 full bottles, 16-ounce bottles. Spray this around your litter boxes, your trash cans, on furniture, pet beds, fabric, anywhere you have stinky smells. Car seats in your car. If you have fabric seats in your car, this would be amazing. This is a safe and natural way to combat those stinky smells. I seriously recommend stocking up on these because it's limited edition. I really hope they bring this back full time. All right, next up, a fan favorite have been our tea towels. Y'all gone in the past. Our tea towels that are just decorative. Who has the towels for the holiday season where you don't want anybody to touch them because they're just to look pretty? That is not the case with these. Not only do they look beautiful, we've got the nutcracker, we have the stripe, it has bright colors, or you can have it hanging this way where it's more neutral. Super absorbent, doesn't get stinky. If you make sourdough bread, you need these. Cookies, whatever you're doing. They come in a 2-pack, and you will just love how absorbent they are, and they contain backlock, so again, they don't get stinky and smelly. We have some amazing gift bundles for the holidays that you will want to put under your tree. And my mom hack is snag some of your favorite wish list items and put them under the tree for yourself. You deserve it. All right, some of our bundles include a trio of our cutting boards. They come with a presentation gift bag. If you haven't tried our cutting boards, they are a must. We have a pet bundle that comes with a pet towel and pet mitt and 2-in-1 dog shampoo. Also with that presentation gift bag, we have kitchen bundles with our pomegranate kitchen towel set. We have a mini Enviro one that gives you both sleeves, the chenille and the fluffy duster. Take a look at our new catalog so you can see all the different bundles. We even have the essential skincare bundle, which is a perfect place to start with our skincare. Speaking of our skincare, we have a solution for my traveling friends. You are going to get this beautiful, adorable little Ziploc zip bag. You're going to get the illuminating oil, the rejuvenating serum, and cleansing powder. These are refillable, so super convenient for when you travel, and you can just have your TSA friendly sizes for that. All right, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Our deep hydration and masks and our lip hydration are back. These guys sold out so fast last year. I had snagged a bunch. They became my teenager's absolute favorite. I have to hide them. I will be sure to stack up with these. These masks infuse your skin with moisture. They are limited edition, so make sure to stock up. If you love these masks, give them a try. I promise you are going to notice the difference. They are infused with Nordic antioxidants that provide an intense hydration. They improve your skin's texture. It results in your skin having a smooth and plump appearance. Your skin will literally glow. Must have. Absolute must have. The next is the lip hydration. Did you know that your lips cannot provide their own moisture? So we need something to care for them and to make them more youthful. You help with the lines and the creases. And this truly hydrates your lips. You can use this during the day or put it on at nighttime. When I put it on at night and I wake up in the morning, my lips still have the hydration on it. It is incredible. So again, you want to stock up, limited edition, and then they won't be available again. It makes me sad. These are packed full of ingredients such as organic cranberry, butter, shea butter, vitamin C, sodium hyaluronate, grapefruit extract, lingonberry, sea buckthorn, Arctic cloudberry. Trust me, once you realize you give these a try, you're going to be like, this is the most amazing thing, and you're going to want to buy them for all your friends as stocking stuffers because they are so great. Now let's talk about some fun decor items. Do you remember Norman from the Fjord? He is back. He's super adorbs. He's made from hand-spun New Zealand wool. I have multiple Normans. Look at his little antlers, so cute. I put him on the mantle and decorate him around the house. Absolutely adorable. Now, last but not least, let's talk about kids. We have a new kids Winter Woodland Set. This is an amazing gift for the little ones. This adorable pattern is good for both boys and girls. It comes with the new chenille pet hand towel. These owl's eyes glow in the dark. Plus, you get a set of 3 of the kids' body cloths, and then you will also get the free sustainable gift bag. In fact, we have a set of 3 of these that are super adorable in the different sizes. How cute is that? One of my favorite things about the owl is it does not fall off the handle, like the towel rack, and it gets what your kids miss when they wash their hands. Love this little owl. My youngest is already obsessed with him, and he's been hanging in her bathroom. So you can get these items individually or bundle them and save. So what do you guys think about the fabulous Norwex holiday collection? Remember, these items are all limited edition. They're while supplies last, so be sure to grab them before they're gone. So, and if you are looking at them like, okay, I need these, grab them now. It makes me sad when they sell out quick, but limited edition, what are you gonna do? Let me know if you guys have any questions. I am here to help you have a safe and sustainable holiday season. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bye.